Oh my.
She talks.
She squeals.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Whoa.
Let me get you.
Oh, look at that. You have to be
Go
quick,
get
Tina.
him.
Quick, quick,
Go
quick.
get him. Where's he
Take
going?
your feet, Joe. Good job.
Where's he going?
Go. Nope, you didn't want to go. I thought you'd follow me.
Ah, you got your blankie. She's like, I'm taking this back.
You gotta take it away from me.
Quick, Tina, quick.
Say hi. Can you tell him hi? That's Carter.
Over here, Jimmy. Yep, that's the baby.
Where are you going?
I like how he just keeps sitting by her.
Oh,
Careful.
We'll get run over, Liberty.
she's getting the idea though. She kind of closes her eyes right away.
I'm gonna do it when I
Look
hear
at her. She's like, that is mine.
Are you talking to Carter, Liberty?
Right.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
It's a real treat when they're
Uh-oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Let's go this way. There you go.
in my room.
Bear crawl.
Go get him.
She's like, okay.
No matter what.
She's like,
See, she closes her eyes
Aww.
right away.
Careful.
Watch
out.
there, sister.
Oh,
Whoa.
he is a goer.
why don't you get away from the table?
Yeah, there you go.
She's like,
Go get him.
Oh,
You go get him.
She's like, mommy, save me.
Liberty, don't you think the little